welcome back to Keto Homestead with Jess. We got another fun mail call, so we're going to go ahead and open this up and see what we got today. Let's see who it's from. It says, a gift for you, enjoy. It don't tell me who it's from. Alright. What is it? Oh my Lanza. Look how cute that is. How adorable. You see that? It's got a little cord with it. It says, light up music, water, snow globe. Lanham Christmas gift. That's awesome.
See if it's already charged and you can turn it on.
Did it do anything? I don't think so.
Mm-mm.
We'll have to charge it up. Thank you so much. Like I said, I don't know who gifted this to me, but thank you so much. I can't wait to get it charged up and plug it in. I will do a quick clip and let you all see what it looks like as well. But thank you so much. Merry Christmas.
It's pretty slick.
Yeah. I'm going to get this plugged in and see what it does. You know, figure out where to plug it in at. Oh, it also takes, you can put batteries in it. Let's do that. Let me go grab some batteries. All right. Oh, it takes one more. I thought it only took two. I need to grab another one.
You putting rechargeables on it?
Yeah.
Well, you can go ahead and plug, when that charger runs down, you can plug that cord in and it'll charge them back up.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty slick.
Oh, pretty. It's really lit up. Oh my gosh.
That's pretty slick.
That's awesome.
Oh!
Plays another one. All right. Well, I want to say again, thank you so much. What a great, thoughtful gift. Thank you so much for stopping by Keto Homestead with Jess to open this mail call with me. And until next time, stay happy, healthy, and safe. Bye.